Okay, now let's see how to change the memories and how to inject water. And firstly, we change the memories. When you see the memories has a scratch or it does not work, you can change it. Firstly, we need to turn this off. Pour the water. And you need to use something alcohol to clean. Using some alcohol to clean the around. And then we find the memory. Using something sharp to get the memory. And we can see this. And then remember to wipe off the plastic, this white plastic, using something sharp like the knife. Okay, that's how to change the memory. And then it do not have water. We need to know how to inject water. This is the water injection hole. And you can see the water line. And sometimes when you're using the machine after a while and after a few months or after a few weeks, you find the water line is there, you need to add some water. It means it is lack of water. Okay. When you see water coming out of the other hole, that means the water is full. And we can using this machine to check whether the water is full or not. We need to connect power. And then press these 3 buttons simultaneously. Remember to press them 1 time. Remember to lean the machine in this way, and then press these 3 buttons 1 time. And now the machine the extra water will flowing out. Okay, when it's finishing, that means the water is enough. We need to put this on, and that's how to do the water injection and change the membranes. But do remember that when you finish add water, you need to lean the machine in this way and press this 3 buttons 1 time at the same time, and this hole will filling out the extra water. Okay, today we would like to see the hollow body HIFU body slimming machine. And firstly, we connect power, and you can see the screen is on. And this is the screen, this is the intensity. The intensity is from 1 to 9. Usually we start from 1, and you can adjust the intensity according to a customer's tolerance. And about the depths, it is 8.0 and 13 millimeter. And for the big parts like the abdomen and the legs, we're using 30 millimeter, and for the small parts like arms, thighs, we use the 8 millimeter. And when you choose the intensity, when you first adjust the intensity, and this button is used to control the depth of this machine. You can see. Now we are in 8.0 millimeter and intensity 1. And when you adjust the intensity, the depth, you need to put some body tightening or some gels, like the body compact emulsion on the skin, and then press this button. The machine will have the output, and 1 shot 200 dots. And now let's see how to operate this machine. Firstly, we see the abdomen. Put on the body compact emulsion on the treatment area. Also put some on the machine. and then press this button and the machine is working. Usually we start from 1 and you can adjust the intensity according to a customer's tolerance. And when you press this button, it has 200 dots output. You need to wait after the dots finish it. Okay, and move to this part. Remember, this area cannot be using with this machine, and that is how to operate on the abdomen. And now we can see how to operate on the legs. For the legs, the big part, you also need to using the 30 millimeter. And firstly, put on the body compact emulsion. Remember to put the machine close to the skin and press the operating button. Okay, and this part finished, you can move to different parts. Yes. Okay, that's how to operate on the left.